Your feet are supposed to be in the trash.
No, it's here.
Excuse you.
Did you burp? I think you did burp.